Hellcat.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to be playing Roblox, and the game we're going to be playing is Build a Boat. I'm going to be showing you some cool glitches, speed glitches in Build a Boat, and they're pretty fast. But first off, I will be showing some magnet glitches for people who are over beginner levels. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below. So first off, we have this little magnet glitch here, which is usually smaller than this, but added some seats for other extra people. So this is kind of hard to control. You just have to like double tap and not tap too much. You'll also be needing a magnet, and you'll need a rod, pilot chair, hinge blocks, and a magnet. We'll get back to it after we launch. So what you'll be doing is pressing this magnet, and then it'll turn on. Then you just slightly double tap. There is a faster one, but this one's easier to control. As you see, we're going pretty fast here. Sometimes you hit things and the magnet disappears. But yeah.
I'm gonna hand you over to Cal. What? You think that's a mistake?
This whole thing was a mistake.
Now I'll be showing you how to build it. So first off, you're going to go here. You're going to want to place a rod with a pilot chair on top. I can just find it here. After that, you're going to want to place a wood block. It doesn't necessarily have to be wood, just like it to be wood. And you're also going to place some rods, 2 rods behind it. After that, you're going to want to place a magnet like this at the end. You're also going to place a hinge facing up right here, with also following another wood block on top of it. And that is all. And if you want, you can place like a chair for somebody to sit here. But yeah.
In exactly 6 hours from now, I'll be walking out of here, Agent Cal.
We're gonna have to wait a little, but for now, I'm just gonna show you some of my other builds. I have another one here. It's a big one. You don't need this much stuff, but yeah. Let me get on. They already left, so might as well use this boat. As you see, it's not working very well because launched when I wasn't finished loading. But it's pretty fast, good. You most likely won't die. This is easier than the usual ones because usually they have like only one side and I like two. But when you have two, it's easier to control. But yeah, this is not as fast as the other magnet glitches, so but it's still good to use. It'll get you to the end, just not as fast. When you get to the end, it usually will give you about around 88, 100 if you go through all the stages. And if you make it to all the way to the end, you'll get like 122,000 gold. I mean 12200. Oh no, I fell. They got me. But see, I got 56 gold and that wasn't even all the stages. So that's a decent amount of gold. Right now, I will show you the magnet glitch again. Let me load it. So this is how it would look like at the end. Well, you saw last time, but yeah. And then you sit. Today I cannot type. Watch. Yeah. Oh, look at their hack. So, for this, you'll have to press the magnet. And then you like slowly tap to go up. But I'm glitching right now, so I'm gonna leave this game real fast. Later on, when I get some more Robux, I will make a group for you guys to join. The group name will be Mythic Dragon. So, yeah. Right now, I'm gonna go to my VIP's private server. I don't know if there's anybody in it right now. If there is, it's just probably my friends. But it looks like there's nobody in it, so it's empty all to myself. I'm also going to be showing you how to pass the ramp quest. A lot of people say it's kind of difficult, but I've passed it and it took me a while to figure out how to pass it, but it was pretty simple. So what you're gonna do is go up here. All you really need is a harpoon and 1 or 2 butter blocks.
Download's finished. It's a video file.
So what you're gonna do is stand here and you're gonna get the glue or butter block and then you're gonna place them in yourself. After that, you're gonna get harpoon, at least 1, and place it on your head, like so. You're going to launch after that, and you're gonna like slowly walk down here. And then you're gonna go to like the edge, like right here in this last piece, and you're gonna press the harpoon, and you're going to launch it. Like right there, and then you're gonna slowly keep pressing that harpoon and it'll like drag you up there and you'll go through the hoop and you're gonna want to swing back and forth And then, since I already passed it, it's not showing anything. But you'll like go through here and yeah, you'll pass it. So you guys should try that and it should work. I don't know any other ways to pass it, but yeah. That's how you pass that. There's the soccer quest where you push your soccer into the hoop. But there's a better way to pass the soccer quest while also getting 3,000 gold, people. So what you're gonna do is build a boat rather like this tall. Hold on, let me end this quest. Let me reset.
New CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk, a vegan foundation formulated without formaldehydes, phthalates, parabens, sulfates, and talc, giving me a healthy, natural look that says, "This is me."
So I'm gonna start the soccer quest. Then there's gonna be a soccer ball like right there.
Okay.
Hey,
Wait.
don't you dare be calling Poppy.
Wait a second.
So you're gonna get there's gonna be a soccer ball like right here.
That is old phone.
Where they came from,
Did you already get an apartment?
what they want.
Huh? Oh.
It's hard.
Then you're also gonna want to load a boat like about this tall. It doesn't have to be this exact boat, but it's better if you do this boat because it's taller and you'll get to the end also faster. So you're just gonna want to get on this. You're gonna also want to need this chair. You're also going to need a harpoon again. It's better if you use two. You can use one, but it's better if you use two.
We're sold. Call 833-LEAF-FILTER or go to getleaffilter.com for your free gutter inspection and estimate. It's best we
So you usually have the soccer ball. Then you're going to want to launch, and you're going to have to shoot the ball with the harpoons. You're going to go to the end, and when your boat deletes, you're going to want to push the soccer ball into the treasure chest. When you do that, it'll give you 3,000 gold. So that's a very fast way to get 3,000 gold. You're only able to use that once, so yeah. Also, again, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Notifications.
I recently got to my goal weight. It feels absolutely amazing.
So let me load this again since earlier it wasn't working. Now I'll probably be able to use it. You're going to want to jump on this. Usually they tell you to delete the bottom, but you don't really need to because it's not going to make that much of a difference. But I'm going to delete it in this video. So you're going to do that. Then you're going to press this magnet. You'll know it turns on because there'll be like a little bubble thing in the middle. Then you're going to start like double tapping kinda. And like it's super fast, faster than most of the glitches. Not as fast as the other magnet glitch. That goes like super fast and it like picks up speed. This one picks up speed, it's just not as fast. As you see, I'm going through the stages pretty quick here. I'm going super fast, so it's like not showing them. Then you're gonna want to land here. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, that was so close. I shouldn't have jumped off. Well, I would have made it, but yeah, it just like made me flew off. I'm gonna show you this other magnet glitch, but I won't show this one until the next video. Once we get 30 followers, because this is my new account, I'll show you this. So you're also gonna turn on the magnet. Then you're gonna do the same as the other bolt, and then it's gonna slowly go faster. This one is a little harder to control, and as it goes faster, it's going to be like super hard to control. You're gonna want to like jump off right before the final stage because, as you see, it just goes like past the stages. You're gonna like wanna like jump back. Well, I'm gonna jump off because that's gonna take pretty long to go back. Well, I died, and as you see, it gives me 66 gold. But each time you win, you go to the end, it'll give you more because of the treasure chest. Well, that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to turn on those notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye.